Alright, let's get serious. This warning label: to prevent damage, turn power off before connecting or removing cables. So that's going to go there. So we have to make a square hole, just the right circumference for that to sit in there. Not a problem. Oh, I have to take the disk drive out to do that. Oh, no, it's okay. I haven't bolted it down yet. Alright. Whoa. Okay. Cheap ass drill. This is a hobby drill. It's gonna take ages. Wow. Okay, so just a bit wider, just unscrew that. So there's a washer there, so it just has to be that wide. Alright, I've never done anything like this before. I think that voids the warranty. Of course, these drill bits are for a real drill, so I'm using proper drill bits on my toy. It's an Ozito $20. So we're at a dead end here. It's been 2 months since I pulled it apart. I forgot how horrible these screws are, so I'm gonna buy some new ones with just that in. So I need about a dozen of those. I've tested it, it works. So just screw the case on and it'll be project finished. Can't wait. Okay, Operation Screw Screws. So I guess we're limited in a small country such as. So I found the correct width, but they're longer and they have nuts, and then I also bought some washers. So hopefully with a nut and a washer it'll make the screw fit properly. Let's hope. I hate Auckland. It's raining and it's cloudy, but it's hotter than hell. We'll go in there alright. Perfect. I'm a genius. I didn't even ask the staff. Never asked the staff. What are you talking about? That is going to be too long. Far too long. I think you might have to... Oh, I don't know how I'm going to do this. Put the actual screw back in. There's no... How do you screw in a hexagonal screw? We just wasted... I can't screw that in. Okay, let's try this. Oh, okay. Oh god, just a little bit wider. Nothing to grip hold of. This is never going to come out. Ow. No, that's too long. Oh! No. It's just that fell down. A couple of washers maybe? I don't know. This sucks. What about that thing? Too wide. It's not screwing onto anything. There's only one screw that's going to fit that hole. This really sucks. There's another one of those stupid ones. Well, now you've bought 2,000 billion screws. Once you finish this project, you won't need any more. Slightly wider. Yeah, well... Come on, mother freaker. This screw is never going to come out. I am going to have to saw this one off. There's no way in hell this will ever come out, and I don't understand why. It's just getting stuck on something. And I can't get it out with the pliers. Another impossible screw. Solder them in. I can't turn that one. There we go, slowly but surely. That will never ever come out. Oh, far out. I found one that fits. I don't know if it's from this hole. It is not threading. Come on, work with me, not against me. No. That's far too small. It might help if you line up the holes, just a thought. And we're going to get a normal screw in. Damn right I will. No, it's not going in. Okay. Oh, fuck you. Who invented screws? The old CD-ROM ejector seems to be going through. Too small, too fat. Oh no, here we go, here we go. Now put it down and screw it in. Where'd you come from? Oh my god. Stay in. Never come out. Where's your CD-ROM checker? That should go through. I found a magnet the other day after dropping all the screws on the floor. Physically lift the case into place. There we go. Now you're winning. It's the last time I ever do this. Okay, last one that I think. Yep, that's going in alright. Now, oh, I heard a rattle, so there's a screw gone inside somewhere. That is not going to be unscrewed. Put the flat ones on there. That is not coming out. your CD-ROM ejector. Just tip it upside down and whack it. There we go. Fishing with link. Let's try. No problem. Okay, done. As simple as that. I just wasted $11 that I don't have. Okay, this is going to look like the oddest 500 ever. Any more to go in? That's fake. So the only thing left to do is get that out. Okay, I can't believe I got that out. I had to get some bolt cutters and kind of crush the screw, and oh, so you can see I've kind of scratched the thing, so give that a wipe. So let's just see after that catastrophe. And you can hear the screw rattling around. See if it still goes. Oh, the bloody foot fell off. So I'll have to 8-bit guy and get some feet. Oh, you haven't switched it on, twit. We have power. Oh my god, it works. I'm always surprised when something works. So tomorrow's job, finishing off the project, putting the MIDI master back together again, mounting the GoPro GoTech onto there, and find a power cord for this. Not that one, that's my drill. I did have a Nokia one, so that's all tomorrow's work.